bangiphoqile inhliziyo ibuhlungu ngikhathazekile bangiphoqile bafaka amalam ekudethena ndazi ukuthi ngingenaphi oko ndiyaphanda ndiyayazi imvelaphi banye bathetha nje abana vision bandenzovela nje ku-television I'm on the session feeling is busy themba likhona noma bengiphoqile Thixo ukhona ndiyathemba ubajongile qinisa ukholo each and every day I climb over all of this situation I just ignore him I don't have that time oko ndiyaphanda bandipha amandla qhubeka Thixo ubafake pressure andinaxesha lokumosha ixesha Ay, ay, ay. Bangiphoqile inhliziyo ibuhlungu ngikhathazekile bangiphoqile